Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers, to another session of Double AZ Slots. It's been a while that we recorded a few because we had a couple of things we had to take care of for Double AZ Slots and family. But let's ease ourselves back into the sessions again. We're going to take it nice and easy. We're in front of Hot Red Ruby 25 cent denom. We got about 40 cash in there, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we could get at least let's say what you might say, to just enjoy and have fun. Well, our main goal is to go ahead and try to get about 4 or 5 red spins and just try to lock it up. As you can tell right now, there's going to hit 3, so 2,500 credits if we can get it, and if not, we just enjoy ourselves right now. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and hit 3 bet backs on it and see if Hot Red Ruby can be nice to Double AZ slots. So let's hit it big. There we go, got a red spin, all right. Keep it going, keep it going. There we go. We're gonna try to see if we could go ahead and double up. We got one of our red spins in there. Oh, red, your sister's up there. Knock on the door and come in. So how's everybody doing today? Everybody's doing fine, I hope. As for Double AZ slots, as I say, it's been a while since we recorded a few, but I tell you what, we're gonna get back in the flow of things. We're also just taking it nice and easy. Just my better half is enjoying it. Miss everybody. And we just wishing that Hot Red Ruby be the same way. So if you feel that you're like, oh, well, I don't know, the casinos nowadays are really tight and everything, money's short and everything. Well, I can understand that. It happens. But I tell you what, just come with your family and friends and enjoy a good time, whether you're gambling or not. The atmosphere is great. Yeah, that's making us play, Hot Red Ruby. Thank you very much. Like to get Ruby, get all your sisters, your cousins, get them all together. We're here at the High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. Great establishment. Nice place to be. Oh, I needed you. I needed you right there. Oh, even one of you could be fun. Hit the 7s, double up. Oh, there you go. Come on now. Yep, taking us down to even. Oh, Hot Red Ruby showing up. Yeah, we got a diamond. Well, we got 7 more, but I try not to chase them out too much. There we go. Hot red ruby, thank you very much. Oh, come on. Going to sleep, Hot Red Ruby. Let's get another red spin on him. What do you think? There we go. Come on out, Red Ruby. Come on out. Well, you sure did come out. Your sister didn't come out, though. Seven. Oh. Ah, there you guys are. Come on, ladies. Don't be shy now. Double AZ Slots is in the house. There we go. That was a step ladder there. That's been nice, Ruby. Let's try to get both of you ladies together. Come on now. Hot Red Ruby. Oh, all three of you ladies. Why don't you guys get together? Get together. Let's do a celebration. Let's just get another red spin and see what else we can do. Let's take it down to 30. Unless we get another red spin. And let's see what else we can do. Oh, ladies, ladies, please. Oh, there we go, right there. Do a couple more. And let's do the last one. Well, yeah, a couple more, just in case. And last one. Okay, Hot Red Ruby, you let us play a lot. Let us play in there and everything. So we got a lot of red spins, but we'll go ahead and go to another machine and see what else machines will give to AAZ slots. So hit that thumbs up and catch you on the next one. Take care now.